Let's face it, most of us use AliExpress when dropshipping. But why do we use AliExpress when there are so many better options out there? And today I'm going to go over one option which I think is the best option. It's something that I've been using lately and it's allowed me to generate some serious money without causing me any hassle. Having a good supplier is vital because you don't want to make the customer wait for their product. And AliExpress can have long shipping times from 30 to even sometimes 60 days. However, what I'm going to show you today has considerably less. And what's amazing about this tool is that it integrates straight into your Shopify store. So it's extremely simple to use. Now, dropshipping has changed massively in 2024. When I started dropshipping nearly 6 years ago, there were very limited options when it came to dropshipping. Whereas if we look at the dropshipping industry today, it has grown massively and there are so many tools that we can use that can help with dropshipping. And 6 years ago, all we could use is AliExpress because there wasn't many trusted suppliers. But how come most people who start dropshipping in 2024 still use AliExpress? Especially when now there are so many suppliers to choose from. The issue with AliExpress, because of its long shipping times and service, customers become extremely frustrated. And sometimes what happens is that the customers will call up their banks to dispute the payments that they made on your store. And then what can happen is that Shopify and Stripe can even ban you online. Now trust me, you don't want that to happen, especially if you're dropshipping for the first time. You want a supplier that not only can be trusted because it's been operating for several years, but you want to be able to have full 24/7 support. This way it's more transparent for you, so you can be more transparent with the customer. And that's exactly why the supplier that you need to use is FFORDER. So what is FFORDER? It stands for Fast Fulfillment Order, and FFORDER is a professional dropshipping supplier. They've been engaged in dropshipping supply service for 7 years, so they have years of experience, and I've been using them lately and it's streamlined all my processes. They have a partnership with over 1,700 factories, which is crazy, and they have fast shipping times, which makes everything so much better for your customers. On FFORDER, they have over 3,000 winning products that you can choose from. What's also amazing about them is not only do they integrate as a Shopify app, which I'll talk about more later, but there's no minimum orders. You get professional 24/7 support, so whenever I need to talk to someone, they are always available. And when it comes to refunds on AliExpress, it's an absolute pain. However, with these guys, it's completely hassle-free. Genuinely an amazing supplier. And I'm going to go through how you can set up FFORDER so you can start your dropshipping journey with them. I have put a link in my description, so make sure you sign up to FFORDER. Also guys, if you are enjoying the video so far and you do want to help the channel out, make sure you smash that subscribe button. Now, just before you sign up to FFORDER, the first thing you need to do is sign up to Shopify. You can even use WooCommerce, however, I personally like to use Shopify. So for this video, I'm just going to go through Shopify. So if you're new to dropshipping, you need to first go onto Shopify and sign up using your email address. Now, I would recommend setting up a separate email from your personal one. You need to create a brand around your store, i.e. name, logo, etc. Once you do all of that, you can then just create a free Gmail account using that, and then use that email to sign up on Shopify. You'll get a 3-day free trial, and the first month is only $1, which to be honest is an amazing deal. I don't know how much longer they're going to do that, so make sure you take advantage of that today. Now, before the next step, the next thing you're going to do is you're going to click my link in the description, and then you're going to sign up to FFORDER. Now, I'd recommend using the same email that you used to sign up with Shopify, just so you can manage everything much easier. Now, once you've signed up to Shopify and FFORDER, you go back onto Shopify, you then click on apps, and then you'll see this screen. So now all you have to do is search FFORDER and make sure to click this app over here, and you can see on the left they have a 4.6 rating for reviews, which is quite high. So what we'll do, let's just briefly look at the reviews, and based just on the reviews, you can see a lot of people only have positive things to say about FFORDER. And again, I have used it myself and I think they are a fantastic supplier. So all you have to do is click over here and install it. Now once you have installed it, it will ask you to sign in. Now sign in using the details that you signed up with earlier. Now once you have signed in, this is what you'll see. So I'll walk you through everything. Now first thing I just want to say is that you can see on the right you have a WhatsApp and a live chat option. So already you can see that whenever you're stuck, you can get 24/7 support. And I have these guys on WhatsApp, and whenever I have issues with anything, I just drop them a message and they reply almost instantly. For me, it's amazing that I don't need to call anyone and be stuck in long queues. All I have to do is just send them a message on WhatsApp and they'll reply straight away. Now, if we go on to FFORDER products, we can then search for the product we want to sell. So just for this example, I'm going to search humidifier. Now, this is something I've sold on one of my dropshipping stores. So all I do is click on where it says view view. It will then show me all the information about the product and all its variants. And if I want to add this to my store, all I have to do is click publish. So me just clicking this one button, it'll automatically add this product to my store, including all its variants. It's literally that simple. And now if someone was to purchase from my store, as it is connected to my FFORDER account, it will automatically add the customer information, and FFORDER will take care of the rest for me. They will package, ship and deliver the product to the customer directly. And they work with some of the best courier services in the world. FFORDER just basically makes everything so much easier. They fulfill all my orders for me. All I have to do is just focus on marketing and ads. It's literally like an automated process. Genuinely an amazing supplier. So over here you can see them in action. They carefully package your product and make sure everything is sealed properly. Now with AliExpress, and I've had this myself, the product sometimes comes in really bad packaging, which can make it look extremely cheap. They then attach the label to send it to your customer, and then they weigh it just to make sure that it meets delivery expectations. Now let me tell you the difference it has made from switching from AliExpress to FFORDER, because honestly it's transformed my dropshipping business. A few months ago I decided to switch from AliExpress to FFORDER because of the long shipping times and poor customer support I was receiving. The transition was smooth and the benefits were immediate. My customers began receiving their orders so much faster, and the 24/7 support meant that I could resolve any issues extremely quickly. The hassle-free refunds also saved me a lot of time and frustration. Overall, my dropshipping business became so much more efficient, and my customer satisfaction rates improved significantly. It's just a much easier and reliable service to use. Again, if you want to start using FFORDER, and I'd highly recommend that you do, make sure you click my link in the description and start your dropshipping journey hassle-free by using a trusted supplier like FFORDER. Also guys, if you're looking to join the best platform for like-minded individuals who want to make money online, including dropshipping, then make sure to join my Discord group called the Ultimate Wealth Circle. It's a group for like-minded individuals who are looking to succeed. I'm doing coaching calls every week with my members who are looking to dropship and make money online. Imagine having access to like-minded people, some who are earning well over 6 figures a year, courses which are worth over $500 alone and will be coming soon into the Discord group, an exclusive network, and 24 hours one-to-one access with myself for any help or guidance. So if you do want to join, make sure you click my link in the description and sign up on my website. I've also made over $4,000 dropshipping in only 48 hours. So if you do want to watch that video, make sure you click just over here and I'll see you guys there.